Welcome back, guys. I'm going to do another video on this Sea-Doo. It's been sitting for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 years. And it wasn't winterized one winter. And after the season was over, and one of the plugs on the exhaust is cracked. So we'll see what all I have to do with that. I think this is a 97, 98, 800. So we'll pull this out and see what we can do with it. Once again, if you like my videos, subscribe, like them, and there's more to come. I took a little time off, so definitely more videos coming. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.